All right. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Do it to it. Up she goes. Oh, yeah. That's pretty easy. There we go. You're clear. You want to pull back? Pull back a little bit. This is gonna be fun. I need some Burnsy on. Hey Burnsy, that worked well. We're gonna need to get the oil dry out after this. But look at
that part sounds like you guys' problem.
Yeah. That's actually a Xander problem because he's low man on the totem pole.
Oh, that's true.
He's like, damn it.
I mean, because Riley's not here, so.
Yeah. And this guy's just taking a little hose time. All right. Upsy daisy, I guess, huh? Because it'll go. Look at that. Napco, baby. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's trans fluid. Lake ATF.
Pull the trans lines up.
Alright, Xander, grab those. Oh, we know. Look at that. There we go. Set it behind the... We get it behind the balancer. Should be okay. Or just pull it this way. There you go. That's better. Okay, go. Okay, you're touching. Up a little. It's just a cap, and we have a whole new distributor for that because that one's disgusting. What do you think, Mr. Burns?
I think.
You think Xander did pretty good for basically field stripping a 66 country sedan?
Oh yeah. By
himself for the most part? Look at that. You put one in the other day, now you're pulling one out.
Yep.
With a trans. Would Scotty pull out with a trans?
Probably not.
See if you can push this up a little bit. There you go. That'll give you a little more space there, buddy. There you go. All right. Wow. Pivot. There you go. Once you get the pan on the core support, it'd be golden.
Where's that touch again?
We can let the car down a hair too.
No, because if you let the car down, where's the hood go?
Oh yeah. Wow. Ooh, crusty. There you go. If Xander and I both hold up on this, you're gonna be good. Because you just gotta kind of skate it. There you go.
What the fuck, dude?
It's creaking. Oh my god, now you can see all the silicone. There you go. Did you just fart?
You're stuck.
That was funny.
Look at that freeze plug, dude.
Oh my god. Well, it's gonna be a set of freeze plugs, Ken. Alright.
Well, let the motor come out.
Yep, exactly. We'll get it.